Dan's Guitar Lessons. This week's episode of the G chord.
Hey guys, I've got a really special episode for you today. It's gonna be great. Chi-Chi's here, so she's gonna be joining us on this journey. And today's journey is how to play the G chord. So that's pretty sick. I'm actually more than super excited about it. Hi. It looks like we've changed rooms. So now I'm going to show you how to play the G chord on a guitar. The first step is to get a guitar. I have one now. The next step is to play the G chord on the guitar that you just got. So let me show you the shape of the G chord here. Okay? So this is the fretboard right here. You get your middle finger and you put it on the third fret of the lowest string. And then you get your first finger, and then it's on the second fret of the second lowest string. So, oh, that sounds good. So the next one is your third finger. Guess what? You're not going to believe this, but it goes on the third fret of the second highest string. So that's pretty crazy. It sounds a little something like this. Wow. All right. And then the last one is your pinky finger, third fret of the highest string. So all together, this is going to create the G chord that we were talking about earlier in the video. If you want, you can rewind back to the beginning of the video where we were talking about the G chord before, I got the guitar and sort of showed you how to play it. You could rewind it just in case you missed the fact that we're trying to play the G chord right now. For any beginners, it can get a little bit confusing. So G chord. You guys ready? Here we go. Whoa. There you go. That's the G chord. For more lessons, please subscribe and share this video to all your friends who are interested in learning how to play the G chord. Goodbye.